Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add contacts by name on your Tinder app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this mark, and you go to next window here, then you just go down here and you so when you go down here you come here to block contacts, you will click and you click here on this mark here on up, so that it's going to show for you like this, and you add here name, and when you click here on done it's going to show for you, or it's going to add this name you add here to your contacts on your Tinder app. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.